Welcome back to our introduction to AI programming with Lovable. This is Common Pitfalls. While Lovable simplifies the development process greatly, successfully using the platform still requires careful thought and attention. Like any powerful tool, misuse or misunderstanding can lead to avoidable mistakes. Awareness of these common pitfalls help ensure smooth, effective development with Lovable. In this video, we'll learn about some of the most common mistakes that new users encounter when working with Lovable, along with practical strategies for avoiding them. From crafting clear prompts to effectively managing the AI-generated output, this session prepares you to anticipate and handle potential challenges before they become problematic. Recognizing these common pitfalls ahead of time not only improves the quality of your projects, but also increases your confidence and effectiveness when leveraging Lovable's powerful AI capabilities. Our instructions say when finished watching this video, click next. Let's go ahead and play that and see what they have to say.
Using Lovable effectively depends heavily on clear, wide, precise instructions. One common mistake is providing overly vague or ambiguous prompts, which leads to unpredictable results and unnecessary corrections. To ensure consistent outcomes, always specify exactly what your app should do and look like. Another frequent issue involves ignoring or misunderstanding AI-generated code and the assumption that AI-generated apps require no review. Always take time to understand and verify the code that Lovable generates. Being attentive helps you identify and correct potential issues quickly, maintaining higher quality and security. Additionally, unmanaged environment variables or sensitive data can lead to accidental security exposures. Always ensure sensitive information like API keys or database credentials are secured and never accidentally committed or published. Finally, while Agent Mode offers powerful capabilities, relying excessively on automated troubleshooting without proper review can introduce subtle issues. Maintain active ownlight and treat automated features as supportive tools rather than complete replacements for thoughtful, human-driven development.
Okay, so these are really huge points to clarify. So first, the overly vague or ambiguous prompts. We want to make sure again that we're very specific. If you don't give specifics to AI, it is driven to fill in the gaps and it might not understand what as humans we would look at as obvious or common knowledge. So just be very specific. Don't be too ambiguous or vague when giving prompts. Be clear and precise. Next is ignoring or misunderstanding AI generated code. That's why it's also very important to learn the basics of coding. That way, once your generated code is in front of you, you're able to see what it does and be able to spot any common mistakes as opposed to just believing whatever it is the AI gives you. Also, understanding that your AI generated apps are going to require review. If you believe that it's not going to require any review, then you might publish something that isn't complete or has too many errors, which can lead to headaches down the road. Unmanaging environmental variables or sensitive data is another one. If you just publish your app without really looking at what's going on, you might publish sensitive data that can give hackers or those with malicious intent access to that data. And last, you don't want to rely too much on automated troubleshooting. You again want to know a little bit about what's going on behind the scenes so that you're able to spot these common issues or the sensitive handling of information. As long as you keep these things in mind when using Lovable, then you'll be ready to make sure your app does well, while avoiding these common pitfalls is a recipe for disaster.